everyone, welcome to today's episode. My name is Baba, and today I am going to be showing you how to remove the background of an image without using Photoshop, Cowrel Draw or any other software. So first of all, you're going to make sure your device is connected to the internet, and then you click on your browser, you type remove.bg, you enter. So after that, you can either directly upload your image here, or you can just drag and drop. Exactly. So your image without a background is ready. So you are going to download it. After that, your image is ready. So I hope this is very informative to you, and I would like to thank you all